Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be navigating through my website. So welcome to Student Fitness. This is what the website looks like when you first click to the home page. And so we just have our slogan that says Easy Short Fit on it. And then we also have these two buttons that connect to the contact page and the about page. If you scroll down, there's just some basic information about what Student Fitness does and what we're aiming to do, which is helping college students stay in shape while they're in college. So we also have some tabs on the side and some images for recipes, plans, and workouts that also link to the tabs that you see above. So let's just get into it. So on the About page, it's just about me and why I decided to start this website. And it's just some basic information and where my inspiration came from. Then on the next tab is just some healthy lifestyle tips. So we just have some tips for a healthy lifestyle, which includes just exercising, stretching, creating a set schedule, and then we also have some tips about diet and how to stay healthy with your eating. And on this page, the infographic is also here, and it's just some basic statistics about healthy living tips and avoiding weight gain. That page. And on our next page we have recipes, and this page will be dedicated to drinks, meals, and snacks that are easy to make and purchase on campus or off campus for college. So for drinks we have for drinks we have smoothies, lemon water, fruit infused water, and some meals, some basic meals, just wraps, salads, soups, stuff like that. And on our next page we have workouts. We have it categorized as beginner, intermediate, and expert, and then there will be some tutorials linked for each of those categories based on what you're looking for. And then our next page is just our contact page. If you have any questions or concerns, you can just fill this basic form out and it will be submitted directly to our website. We also have some social media. We have some Twitter, Instagram, and just make sure you follow our Twitter. We have some tweets about motivation, some easy tips, and stuff like that. We also have a QR code that links to our Instagram page here. So if you scan it, it'll take you directly to Instagram. And on this page, we also have our strategic planning and references. And then lastly, we just have our resource page, which will be filled with some coupons for places like Sprouts and Whole Foods, where you can purchase stuff from our recipes page, and we'll have some ingredients and stuff that you can get for on that page. So those are all of the tabs that we have for this website. So I really hope this helps easily navigate through this website, and thank you for watching.